It's a heavy door. This is our apartment. Come on in. We're on the 24th floor of the building complex. This is the dining room and lounge room, all in one. It's pretty good. Excuse the drying rack. We went out and got caught in the rain this morning, so we're just drying off our clothes. And we had to go out and buy a drying rack because there's nothing like that with the apartment. It's got a good sized TV and a balcony, which is really cool. Not that I go out there because I'm scared of heights. The view's not too bad. We can see Singapore. So you've got the washing line up the top there, but because it's a bit of a wet, humid day, it's not going to really dry really well, so that's why we use the drying rack a lot. Alright, so what's next? Shall we go to the bedroom? This is just the master bedroom. That is a master bedroom. It's got a nice big window, a big bed. It is, you can see my side's very lumpy because I've just put a heap of pillows underneath me because it's so hard. The second bedroom we're just using for storage and our wardrobe. Then we go to the bathroom. That's the only hot water service. There's no hot water in the kitchen. And now let's have a look at the kitchen. The kitchen looks good. When we, booked it, we're like, oh, that looks like a well-equipped kitchen, but the gas stove doesn't actually work. It's not connected. So we've just got a little tiny electric thing here. So it's not very good for cooking. But we have a decent sized fridge. We have a microwave. The oven works. Excuse the dishes. There's no tea towels here. So this is the laundry. So that's not too bad for a 2-bedroom apartment in Malaysia.